What is up, everybody? It's Napalmic Acid. Today I'm going to be checking out this Oxylum headlights right here. This is the 9012 style for my Dodge Charger right here. You can pick them up on Amazon in the link down below if you want to purchase these. $29.99. Coupon code also available down below. So let's go ahead and check out the box here. So this is the 9012 style right here. You can see they come in all sorts of different types depending on what kind of car you have. Nothing really else on the box there. You can see the back there, 30,000 hours. 6,000 is the brightness or the temperature of it, and these do claim to be 10,000 lumens. I don't really believe that. Aviation aluminum right there, so IP67 water resistance. So everything looks good, and it does say it has a 2-year warranty according to their Amazon page. So go ahead and take a look inside the box here. You can see a user manual right here, and only other things in the box are the 2 headlights right here. So let's go ahead and pull one of these out. It has a CSP chipset in it. Not really sure what that means. And a powerful cooling fan. I think it says 11,500 RPM, so very fast. And the design is very simple too. Let's try to get this out here. So when installing this in your car, this is what you put in your car first, and then you just slide this through and turn. So this is the actual 9012 piece right here that makes it fit into my car specifically. So it just goes on like that, tighten it on, and then you install it. So that's what we're going to be doing now. We're going to install these, make sure they work, they don't flicker or anything, and that they're bright enough. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here now is we're going to take out the previous headlight. So I just have some halogens in here now. You have to really get in there to turn it. I have a protective cap right here. So first you're going to take off any caps you have, such as this. You're going to turn your headlight counterclockwise. You can see it right here. Don't touch the tip in case you want to keep it. So now I'm going to set this aside here very gently. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this cap piece. I can get it in camera right there. Install this first, and then I'm going to put this through, and then we'll check it out. So you're not really going to be able to see anything here, so let's go ahead and skip to it installed. All right, everybody, so it's quite bright out here, but I'm going to do my best to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. You can see the old one on the left there and the new one on the right. It's a much whiter white. It says it's a cool white, 6,000 temperature compared to my old light over there. Just a basic halogen. Let's get a little bit closer here so you can take a look. See, it's a little cloudy, but that's just because my headlight's cloudy. Very bright, no flickering or anything yet. Need to take it on the road to make sure. Let's compare it to the old one over here. Big difference in the brightness right there. So let's go ahead and install the other one and take a complete look at it. So here's a close-up of it being installed right there. You can see all the grooves line up perfectly in there, and also all the wiring fits within the circle of the container size, so I actually can fit the cap, the waterproof protective cap I took off in the earlier part of the video. I can put that right back on, and it'll fit with this light in place. The only thing I could see possibly being a problem is overheating, because the cap is on, not allowing it enough air to breathe, but I guess we'll see how that works and what happens. But as you can see right there in the picture, it fits flawlessly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the car completed with both lights in. So here's a quick video showing the headlight housing after I put the cap back on. The LED is in here and it fits. This is a little domed here, but I've had other LED headlights that don't fit. They had a much bigger fan, so I'm hoping this one will be okay without burning up, since it can't get fresh air, only the air within the unit itself right there. But these LED headlights do get much less hot temperature wise than their halogen counterparts. So hopefully this won't be a problem, because they are much less heat causing than the other ones, yet they still do cause some heat, still hot to the touch. So just wanted to throw that in there. All right, guys, so here's one last quick look at the car with both of the lights on right here. As you can see, there's a big difference there from before. This one's a little hard to see because of the sun, but it's just as bright as the other one over here. So there you go, guys. This is the Oxylum $29.99 LED headlights. There is a coupon code available. So go ahead and check out that link down below. And thanks for watching.